Good day, everyone. Today, I want to say to you how our beautiful nature is. Today, I stand before you to talk about something that surrounds us every single day, something that gives us life, peace, and inspiration. That is a nature, our beautiful, precious, and irreplaceable home. When we look around, we see the wonders of nature everywhere. The tall mountain, the touch of the cloud, the rivers that flow endlessly, and the forest filled with life, the color flowers that bloom with grace, and the gentle breeze that calls our skin. All of these are proof of how beautiful and generous nature truly is nature, does not ask for anything in return, yet it gives us everything we need to live: the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the beauty that comforts our heart. Us all do our part, plant trees, reduce waste, conserve water, and respect every living creature. Even small actions can make a big difference if we all work together. We are care for nature. We also care for ourselves and for generation that will come after us. And let us always remember this: nature is a beauty, it's a gift that we must protect, not destroy. Let us be guardians of the earth so that the world we live in will remain green, pure, and beautiful, not just for today, but for all the tomorrow to come. Thank you, and may we all continue to see, love, and protect the beauty of a nature.
Umaga'y ligaya, huni ng maya, hatid na biyaya, sumasayaw ang dahon, dampi ay mahinahon, pusong napagod, biglang umahon, langhap ng palayan, bangong kay sariwa, sa bawat paghinga, bumalik ang diwa. Higa sa bani, hindi na payag,